Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 18th on a Tuesday. Markets are gapping down slightly. It's kind of poor retail sales numbers, but nonetheless, it's been a resilient, grinding higher market. We'll have to see what happens, kind of going sideways right now. Let's dive in and look for some setups. All right, because I'm seeing a few out there that I'm really liking. First on the list is this NEO. Loving this setup in NEO. Had a push higher for several days. Now you've had 3 days of pullback, bounced off the 200, closed above the 10. Look for this could happen quick. A move above yesterday's high. I'm already in this. I bought the pullback yesterday for a half size. Looking to add today. Let's see another one. ITUB. Keep an eye on this one. I think what you do is maybe just put a price alert at that 6 level. It's had a decent move about a month ago, and it's really been going sideways now for a good 3 weeks. So watch that ITUB above $6. Let's see, VSTH, another pretty setup here. Not sure what kind of move you're going to get out of this, but I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Move higher above all its moving averages. You got a nice spread above, kind of fanning out of the moving averages. Just anything above 30 here could have a decent move to it. So another China stock is TCOM. I'm liking the setup here. Now this is one I may play a little bit differently. I may put a bid in for maybe a small size. This may be a quarter or a third of a size, around 36. See if I can get that jam down in the morning at the 10-period moving average. I do that quite a bit. If not, look for a break above yesterday's high. Kind of got that cup and handle look to it. All right, guys, there's more on the list. If you have trade ideas, have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.